In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Time Doctor in just 5 minutes. Whether you've forgotten your password or just feel it's time for a change, we've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. To get started, open your web browser of choice, whether that's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or another one you're comfortable with. Once you're in, you need to search for Time Doctor. Simply type Time Doctor into your search engine and hit enter. You'll want to focus on the first link that appears, or ensure it's the official site by checking that the URL is timedoctor.com. This step is crucial to ensure you're navigating to the legitimate Time Doctor webpage for security reasons. After clicking on the link, you'll be directed to the Time Doctor homepage. From here, you'll need to go to the login page. If you find yourself unable to recall your password, no worries, there's an easy fix. Look for the option that says Forgot Password and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your registered email address. Enter that email, and Time Doctor will send a password reset link to your inbox. This link is your gateway to setting a new password, so be on the lookout for it. Once you receive the email, click on the link provided to reset your password. Follow the instructions to create a new one, making sure it's something both secure and memorable. If you find it helpful, consider incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance the security of your new password. Now, if you're already logged in and are simply updating your password, let's continue. Log into the Time Doctor website as you normally would. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see your profile name. Click on your name and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, you'll want to choose the option labeled My Account. In the My Account section, you'll find the fields to update your password. Enter your new password and then confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Double-check to ensure both entries match, as this will prevent any errors during the update process. Once you're confident that everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. Congratulations! Your Time Doctor account now has a new password. Remember to store it in a safe place or use a password manager if you find it difficult to keep track of multiple passwords. And there you have it. Resetting your Time Doctor password doesn't have to be a challenge. We hope this guide was helpful and made the process straightforward and clear. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to look through Time Doctor's support resources for additional assistance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips.